one of the world's oldest LNG facilities that forms a key link between the UAE's upstream production and global energy markets, seeks to ensure asset integrity of their process vessels. 2013, corrosion concerns were identified in several condensate strippers and discharge drums. Chloride-induced stress corrosion cracking was developing in the weld areas due to chlorides entering the process stream. IGS applied high-velocity thermal spray to upgrade the internal surfaces of the vessels with a non-reactive metallic alloy. The application was completed offshore in situ without replacing the vessels. Joint inspections in 2018 and 2023 confirmed that the HVTS cladding remained intact in as applied condition. The assets have continued operating with no further corrosion or maintenance required. Stress cracking mitigated, asset life extended. That's asset vitality.